In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Sam's Club. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a Sam's Club membership and set up your online account. This is important because you'll need an active account to purchase products, place orders, and manage everything smoothly from one place. Before moving forward, make sure your account details are complete, so checkout and order tracking are as easy as possible. Next, choose where you want to sell your products. This could be a platform like Shopify, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or your own e-commerce website. The key here is to pick a selling platform that fits your business model and allows the fulfillment method you plan to use. It's also a good idea to review the marketplace's seller policies in advance so you understand what is and isn't allowed. Once your platform is selected, begin researching products. This step is extremely important because not every item will be a good fit for dropshipping. Focus on products with strong customer demand, competitive pricing, and consistent availability. You'll also want to make sure there's enough room for profit after factoring in marketplace fees and shipping costs. Taking a little extra time here can help you avoid listing products that are hard to sell or don't leave enough margin. After that, create your product listings, write your own titles and descriptions, and only use images that you have the rights to use. This is especially important because you should avoid copying copyrighted content directly from Sam's Club. A clean, accurate listing not only helps you stay compliant, but also builds trust with potential buyers. When a customer places an order on your selling platform, you'll collect payment through that platform first. Then, once the order comes in, purchase the item from Sam's Club using your account. During checkout, enter your customer's shipping address if that is permitted for the order and your selling method. Be careful to review all order details before submitting so you avoid delays or mistakes. After the order has been placed, keep an eye on the shipment, monitor the tracking information, and share it with your customer as soon as it becomes available. Good communication during this stage can reduce support issues and help customers feel confident about their purchase. Finally, be prepared to provide customer support. This includes answering questions, handling returns, managing refunds, and resolving delivery issues based on your store policies and the rules of the marketplace where you sell. Strong customer service is a major part of running a successful dropshipping business and can help lead to better reviews and repeat customers.